Namaste, welcome back to my channel. Today we will do a gentle chair yoga sequence that can be done by everyone. Let's begin by sitting straight on a chair without taking support from the backrest. Hands are resting on the knees, eyes are closed for now, and focus on your breathing. From here, take a deep breath in, stretching the arms up, interlocking the fingers, turn your palms up and stretch. Holding this upward stretch and keep breathing deep through your nostrils. Exhale, arms down. Inhale, arms up, interlock the fingers, turning the palms up. And this time, exhale to left. Inhale to center, exhale to left. We are inhaling to the center, exhaling to our sides. This twist is coming from the waist. Your arms will remain straight, stretched up to the ceiling. You inhale to the center and you exhale to your sides. Keeping it gentle, breathing through the nostrils. Back to the center, relax your arms. From here, inhale your left arm reaching out. As you exhale, bring it in towards the body. Now right elbow will pocket in the left. You push your left arm in towards the body with the help of right arm. You're getting a very good stretch in your left shoulder blade. Keep breathing through your nostrils and relax the arms. Adding a turn here, inhale, right arm up, exhale, send it behind you, hold the backrest. The left arm is on the outside of your right knee. Head is turned back, keep breathing deep. A good twist for your back. Gently coming out of it, back to the center. Now inhale and take your right arm out. Exhale, bring it into the body. Now the left arm is going to pocket the right. Bring your right arm as close to the body as available and you feel a deeper stretch in your right shoulder blade. Keep breathing. Unfold your arms. Inhale, left arm up. Exhale, send it behind you. Hold the backrest and twist to your left. Breathing deep, enjoying this twist. And we come out of it, coming back to the center. From here, hold on to the side of the chair and we're going to do some side stretches. Now the formula remains the same. You inhale and you stretch, you exhale, come back to the center. Whenever you have to stretch, expand your lungs, breathe in deep. So inhale and you stretch to the side, exhale, come back to the center. If you are someone who has sensitive knees or you are experiencing limited mobility because of certain issues, incorporate chair yoga in your daily routine to bring in the necessary movements in your body. Or maybe you are someone who is very active. We all need some restorative days. Those are the days where you must add a gentle chair yoga sequence like this. Moving on to our next movement. For that, I have bent my right knee and I'm holding it with both my hands. On the exhale, I bring it in towards my body and hold it there. Now from here, I'm going to open up my right hip. So you can see my right hand is still on the right knee, guiding it on the outside, while the left hand is holding on to the chair for better support. We are going to stretch it out and bring it in. At your own pace, as much as it is available to you today. Nice. From here, I'm going to hold on to my knee. Inhale, stretch out. Exhale, bend the knee. We are going to do it a couple of times. Do it at your own pace. All this while, the back will remain straight and we will not take the support of the backrest. Stretch it out and bend it. We are doing good. Now place your right ankle on the left knee. We have pretty much formed the shape of number 4 with our legs. We can either stay here or, if it is available, bend forward for a deeper stretch. Coming out of it with an inhale. Now I'm going to hold the outer edge of my right foot with my left hand. Straighten the right leg. I'm going to turn my body to the right side. The right hand is holding onto the chair for better support. In this posture, we are stretching and twisting at the same time. Gently unfolding the posture. And now taking the stretch to the other side. Bending the left knee this time, holding it with both the hands. On the exhalation, bringing it in towards the body as much as possible. Press it against your chest. Keep breathing deep while we are holding the pose. From here, stretch it out. Your left hand is going to guide the knee out and bring it back in. The other hand is holding on to the chair. A nice hip opener. Okay, now holding on to the knee from under the thigh and straightening the leg, bending the knee. At your own pace again. The back remains straight. Never let time limitations, body limitations be the reason to limit your movements. Do incorporate gentle chair yoga sequence in your daily life. Now placing the left ankle on the right knee, again forming the number 4 shape with our legs. This one is a very good stretch for your hips as well as for your thighs. You can either stay there or on the exhalation you can bend forward. Whatever feels comfortable or is more available to you today. Coming up on the inhalation. And then holding the outer edge of left foot with the right hand, straightening the left leg. Your left hand is supporting you this time by holding on to the chair and your body is twisted to the left. Unfolding it, coming out of it, legs back on the mat. Now inhale, send your arms behind you and stretch, look up. Exhale, palms together, stretched out. Inhale and you stretch up. Exhale, arms reaching forward, curl in. Inhale, arms behind you, hold the backrest, look up. Exhale, arms reaching forward, back curling. A good movement for tired and stiff shoulders or tight chest, which a lot of us develop because of working all day on computers and sitting or standing in bad postures. Okay, back to the neutral position. And from here, we are going to wrap up this practice with a breathing technique, Kapalabhati Pranayam. We will be doing 100 rounds of Kapalabhati Pranayam. Now, if you have just started doing it, I would say you do it in batches of 25. So you will do it 4 times in batches of 25. This involves forceful exhalation. Your entire attention remains on the exhalation, and the breathing in process happens automatically and smoothly. Keep your eyes closed while doing Kapalabhati Pranayam and focus on your breath. I hope you thoroughly enjoyed practicing this sequence with me and will continue practicing it along with your family members and friends. Do give a big thumbs up to this video. Share it with your people. Subscribe to my channel, Shakti Yoga with Shaili, and I will be back soon with more such videos. Thank you so much. Stay fit.